This is the Plymouth Barracuda, one of the most iconic names from the golden era of American muscle cars. The Barracuda didn't just follow the muscle car trend, it helped create it, standing as one of the earliest pony cars in history. Welcome back to Auto Analyst, where we break down the cars that defined generations. Today we're diving into the Plymouth Barracuda, a car that earned its place in muscle car history with bold design and serious performance. The Barracuda first appeared in 1964, slightly ahead of the Ford Mustang, making it one of the earliest entries into the pony car segment. Its design featured a unique fastback body style with a massive rear glass window, instantly setting it apart. As the model evolved, especially in the 1970s, the Barracuda adopted a more aggressive look, wide stance, muscular lines, and powerful front-end styling that made it a true street presence. Under the hood, the Barracuda offered a range of engines, starting with small six-cylinder options and moving up to some of Chrysler's most legendary V8s. The 383, 440, and the feared 426 Hemi engines turned the Barracuda into a true muscle car contender. The Hemi version in particular delivered raw, explosive power, making the Barracuda one of the fastest and most desirable performance cars of its time. Performance was the Barracuda's strongest suit. Rear-wheel drive, high-torque engines, and relatively light weight allowed it to dominate drag strips and street races alike. The Hemi-powered versions were known for their blistering straight-linal speed, often competing with the very best from Ford, Chevrolet, and Dodge. Handling wasn't its primary focus, but it offered enough balance to handle highway cruising and city driving comfortably. Inside, the Barracuda's cabin mixed simplicity with a touch of sportiness. Bucket seats, wood grain accents, and classic round gauges gave the driver a focused, performance-oriented feel. While it didn't have the luxury of high-end European cars, it delivered everything muscle car enthusiasts expected: a cockpit that prioritized driving enjoyment. Despite its performance and aggressive styling, the Barracuda faced tough competition and shifting market trends in the mid-70s, leading to its production ending in 1974. However, its legacy remains strong, with classic Barracudas, especially Hemi models, now commanding extremely high prices among collectors. The Plymouth Barracuda is remembered not only for its performance, but for being one of the muscle car icons that helped define an entire era of American automotive culture. Stay tuned to Auto Analyst for more expert reviews, deep vehicle analysis, and the full stories behind the cars that shaped history.